Everyone, hope you all are doing fine and welcome to a new series of CMA campus placement. Okay guys, if any candidate after watching this video or any series of CMA campus can ask any doubt in his mind. Okay, so let's start the video. So in this video I will try to cover uh, the selection process, in how many company a candidate can give interview. Okay, and what will be the selection percentage or criteria of different organizations. Okay, and minimum or maximum package offered by companies during the past campus. Okay, so hope you understand. Apart from this, if any you can have doubt, you can ask me, and you can also suggest me in which topic you want from me. I will prepare or make video on those particular topic. You can suggest me, you need to suggest, I will prepare or make videos for you guys. So let's start the video. So guys, selection criteria depend organization to organization. Okay, some organization want those candidate who scored more than 60, yeah, at least 60 percentage in academics in 10th, 12th or in BCom. Okay, or at least one attempt in CMA foundation, inter or final. Some company also want that ki both group in one attempt. Okay, so it will depend on criteria, company to company, but it is also not possible that ki those took more than one attempt will not get shortlist. It is not possible. Yes, I have seen that those candidate given more than one attempt, yes, got shortlisted or selected as well in PSU or in MNCs or Nestle or ITC. You can also see that. Yes, one of my friend also got placed or selected in Nestle. Okay, he is currently also working with Nestle. So hope you understand that. Yes, so any candidate can give maximum four interviews in four organizations. Suppose Ramesh is a candidate who has got shortlisted in seven organizations, but at least four organizations he can give. He cannot give more than four organizations interview. Okay, suppose Dipali is one of the candidate only selected in two companies, so then he can give only in two companies. And suppose unfortunately any candidate not shortlisted in any of the organization, that he cannot blame or excuse organization or interview or our institute. Okay, so there is no role of institute. Okay, the selection criteria and shortlisting criteria is totally depend on organization to organization. Institute also cannot itself suggest to the organization. So hoping you understand that. Okay, apart from this, have any doubt or question, you can ask me. So guys, any candidate can maximum given for organization, or suppose any candidate not shortlisted in any organization, then it is my request or suggestion to those candidate, please visit to the place where campus is taking place, irrespective of you are not got shortlisted in any organization. Uh, Sometime in the past trend, it has been seen that some of the organization give the opportunity to those candidate not shortlisted. Like you can say that walk-in, they start walk-in. Okay, so it has been seen that those candidate, you can do one thing, that you can boost up you or motivate your friend. If unfortunately you got not you not selected, you are shortlisted. Okay, so sometime the organization will start a walk-in, so this will be a beneficial for you. You have to wait for 1 days. Okay, you can wait there, and if fortunately any organization give chance for walk-in, yes, maybe possible that you will get shortlisted. Okay, now come to the minimum or maximum package. In the past, it has been seen that minimum package, sometimes some organization like RSM, Big Five, which is a Big Five, RSM or Genpact, provide 3 or 3.6 lakh minimum package. But now these organizations are also offering the 5 lakh. So we can say that minimum package is 5 lakh in campus. Okay, apart from this maximum, yes, 18 lakh package offered by PSU. Okay, one of the PSU offered 18 lakh package. So 5 lakh minimum or 18 lakh, you can say that maximum. Like Accenture provide 9 or 9 to 10, or Nestle or ITC provide 9 to 10 or 8 to 10. Okay, it will depend on organization to organization. BHEL provide 10 lakh. Some of the PSU like Maharatna or Navratna offered 6 lakh. Okay, their package will remain same if they are offering in campus, or if they are offering in off campus, their package will remain same. So hope you understand this. Apart from this, have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so selection criteria depend from organization to organization. Hope you understand. Some of the organization demand those candidate or hired or shortlist those candidate, they are good in academics, means they have scored more than 60 percentage in 10th, 12th, BCom. Okay, and also some of the organization shortlist only those candidate BCom from regular. Okay, but in rare cases, if you are doing BCom from open, most of the CMA candidate do the same, BCom from open, and they focus more on CMA. So hope you understand this. If those candidate has taken more than one attempt, need not to worry, you have to attempt the campus. it is also possibility that you will also get shortlisted. So I have mentioned some of the point I am reading. Okay, selection criteria, process, and percentage. So it has been seen that in the past trend, 30 to 40 percentage is the selection. Finally CMA candidate got placed. Okay, suppose in NIRC, WIRC, or any regional chapter, 1000 recently qualified CMA are giving the campus. Okay, so 30 to 40%, you can say that 300 to 400 qualified CMA will get opportunity or will get placed. Okay, so for those remaining, those not get shortlisted or selected, after the campus, institute time to time conduct off campus. Okay, so around 100 or 200 candidate will also get shortlisted. Okay, so you need to update time to time and need to see the institute website time to time. Okay, during the CMA campus 1 or 2 months, but I will suggest you that you need to do research yourself, LinkedIn, Naukri.com. Okay, and in earlier video campus placement series, I have also suggested that when you are doing the 12 days pre placement orientation program, so please make the friendship with them. If he is a girl or he is a boy, okay, create a WhatsApp group around 200 to 300 recently qualified CMA take participate in CMA campus. Okay, so please make them, they will help you in off campus. Okay, like some of the candidate got placed in Genpact, Cognizant, Accenture, Wipro, IBM. Okay, so they will help in off campus. So hope you understand that. Okay, apart from this, I think I have covered all the aspect. Apart from this, you have any doubt, you can ask me. And yes, time to time I will bring such kind of motivational strategies, campus, and everything. I will come up cover such kind of videos. You can also suggest me in which topic you want a video from me. So that's all about in this video. We will meet in a new video again. Bye guys.